Welcome to our Halloween themed 10-minute Pilates. It's me, Rainbow Bright from 1984, AKA it's me, Mandee, in a Rainbow Bright costume. Don't worry, these are flesh-colored leggings. Don't forget, you gotta hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe either, because then you get to all the fun goodies. We're talking about Halloween treats / fitness. All right, I'll see you on the mat. Welcome back to you and your mat and a 10-minute Pilates workout, Halloween themed, because we like to have fun here at Sunny. Okay, this is my fun face. Meet me on your back like we're lying down in a coffin. Oh, she's gonna have fun. So we're gonna start this Pilates workout lying supine in our coffin. And I'm gonna start to reach my arms above my head as much as I can. See, this costume doesn't really allow much movement, but I'm gonna do my best. And we're gonna start to awake from the dead. Just start to crawl the arms, arch the spine, maybe put a smile on the face because we're alive again. And really engage through the spine. So you can kind of feel abs drawing in, a little arch, and I'm reaching. Yawns acceptable as we awaken. And then we're gonna flex the feet, bring the arms directly over the chest, charge up the seat, and start to march the legs. I'm gonna lift the knee towards the chest and set that foot back down. Lift the other knee and set the foot. Do one more per side, and then the other side. Keep the arms over the chest. We'll begin to tuck the chin and curl. So hold here, draw the navel down and in, draw the shoulders back. Let's lower down and do 3 more. Exhale, curl, squeeze the glutes, and release. Last 2, exhale, curl. I'm trying to get my shoulder blades off the mat, but also keep the retraction of the shoulders. Last one, I'm gonna curl up and hold the curl here. Nod the head over to the right, nod the head over to the left, return through the center, and roll yourself back down. Bring your knees in, bend your knees rather, set the hands right next to the hips, draw the spine and navel down, bridge to lift for 1, and roll back down. Let's do 3 more. Curl to lift, tilt your pelvis towards the sky, keep the feet flat on the mat. Last 2, exhale, lift your way up and release back down. Final rep here, exhale to lift and inhale to release. Bring the legs to table and flex the feet. Draw the shoulders down, press down through the arms evenly, and close the low back. I dip the toe of heel of the one side, and then the other side without changing any dimension in the back. And then I lower both heels. And here's the deal. Here's the heel. You may or may not actually land the heels on the floor, and it doesn't matter because we're maintaining the spinal integrity. So last one of these toe taps, and then we're gonna move into something called dead bug, how apropos. Bring it back to table and keep that distance of a fist between your knees. Bring the arms back up where they were before, retract the shoulders. Lift the head, neck, and shoulders back up. So you see how I'm putting this all together, right? I'm gonna start to reach the heel forward on the right and the arm overhead on the left and pull back in, that's 1. Inhale out, exhale in, that's 2. Inhale, I'm looking at my thighs, exhale, that's 3. We're going to 6, by the way. Inhale and exhale. Again, my spine is on the mat. Inhale and exhale. Keep that chin tucked. I'm looking between the inner thighs. Inhale and exhale. Last one per side here. Inhale and exhale. Other side. Inhale and slowly release back down to the floor. Extend one leg long, bring the other leg at 45 degrees and point the toes. We're gonna rise for real from the dead. So reach the arms directly over the chest, curl the head, neck, and shoulders, grab for the thigh, and roll your way up to that leg. And roll your way back down. Same leg, 3 more. Curl your head, neck, and shoulders, crawl up that leg, lift the chest, and roll your way back down. Last 2. Curl the head, neck, and shoulders. Exhale. Whoa, right? So I want to anchor that heel of the straight leg on the mat. Last one, and then we'll switch our sides. Curl the head up, tuck the chin, rise, and release back down. Once the head lands, land the heel, and bring the other knee in. Extend that leg at 45. Arms reach over the chest. Engage through that heel of the stable foot, and we do 4. Curl up and start to crawl up that leg. Roll yourself back down, and listen, we might all have different ranges of motion. Maybe today I'm just crawling to the knee, and I'm saying just, it's like, well, that's not just, right? There's a lot going on here. 2 more. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, curl your way up. Lift the chest at the top. Feel that stretch, feel that engagement, and release back down one more time. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, curl your way back up. Stay seated, bend the knee, and lie down on your side body. So I'm gonna bring my knees into a little fetal position. We have side series a little bit different today. Elbow underneath the shoulder, palm flat on the floor. Top arm comes behind the ear. I'm gonna start to lift off my heels. So now I'm internally rotating, and I'm gonna point the toes, because why not? Good, I'm gonna do the clamshell. Open the leg and close. We've got 4 total. Open and close, 3. Open and close, 2 more. Open and close. And then I rotate down. Oops, I lift up rather, I'm sorry. And return. She's not perfect, she's just cute. And lift. I'm still in my coffin, by the way. Right? So I'm getting a lot of work done, and I'm not even undead yet. Last 2, and last 1. Good. Grand finale here. I lift and I open. I'm gonna lift and open. 2 more. Lifting the toe off the other toe, probably not gonna be a big range. Notice the shoulder here. Lift and open. Excellent. Slide onto the opposite side, because it'd be weird if we only did one side. And of course, in a coffin, probably can't do that, so you just flip around. So you're not really doing your workout in your coffin, but I digress. So first and foremost, we set up properly. Nice tall spine, chest points to the side of the mat, opposite hand comes behind the ear. Brace the rib cage, and now I'm gonna start to float the feet and point the toes. Clamshells, open and close for 4, open and close for 3. Good, exhale it open for 2, and 1. Beautiful. I keep the legs together, and I extend and bend in, so I feel a little outer hip work there. Exhale, of course, I'm finding lots of side bend. This is 2, and let's do this last one. Bring it back in. Okay, now it's so hard. I open, close, open and close. I lift that foot off the other foot, and then the knee up. I still have my feet elevated off the ground, and you have 1 more to go. And now meet me on the back. So on the stomach, adjust as needed. I'm gonna adjust my skirt so I'm not being PG-13 here. And slide the hands next to the chest. Let's rest the forehead on the floor for just a hot moment and start to charge up the legs. Your feet are about hip width apart. Roll the shoulders from the ears and from the mat. Retract. Curl the belly button up and in, squeeze the seat. Cobra. I'm gonna lift my way up off the mat, find the extension of the spine, and release back down with control. Let's do 3 more. Roll the shoulders, take the inhale to prepare. Exhale, extend the spine. And inhale, return to the mat. Last 2. Take an inhale, roll the shoulders, engage the seat. Exhale for 3. And release. Last one here. Roll the shoulders, press into the palms, charge up the seat, roll your way up, and release back down to the floor. Good. Now from here, I'm going to curl my toes, grand finale, lift off of the knees, charge up the glutes, press my way from plank back to downward facing dog, step the feet in hip width apart, pedal out the feet. And we'll start to walk the feet towards the hands at the top of the mat. Once we're at the top of the mat, soften the knees, roll your way up slowly to stand tall and eat brains because we've officially risen from the dead. Bring the hands in front of the heart, deep breath in, and let it out. Thank you so much for joining me on the mat. Have a wonderful day. 10-minute Pilates, Halloween themed, brought to you by Rainbow Bright herself. Au revoir.